Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to review the Ultra Perfect 2-liter wet grinder, one of the most popular wet grinders for Indian kitchens. Let's see whether it is worth buying or not. The body is made from high quality ABS plastic, which is durable and lightweight. These conical stones generate less heat during the grinding. Less heat means better fermentation, more natural taste, softer idlis, fresher batter for longer periods. This drum uses AISI 304 food grade stainless steel. This is important because it is rust resistant, hygienic, and safe for everyday food preparation. And coming to the machine has a clean and compact design that fits nicely in most kitchens. And another advantage is the company offers 5-year product warranty and has dedicated service centers with trained technicians, ensuring peace of mind after purchase. Overall, it is a great choice for anyone looking for consistent grinding performance and better quality. By using this grinder, there are many advantages. One is excellent better quality, patent conical stones, food grade stainless steel drum, reliable 150-watt motor, 5-year warranty, trusted brand support. And the only disadvantage is designed for only wet grinding. The grinding process was smooth and the batter achieved a fine, fluffy consistency. Now here you can see the outcome of the batter, how fluffy and consistent it is. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The product link is available in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.